Alright, I built an app with Google Opal, then it broke. Don't forget, in the last video I dropped, this is where I built this app. This is YouTube hook generation, which we use to generate YouTube hook. I built an AI with Google Opal, then it broke. You are going to see the hype versus reality. Three things Google Opal can't do yet. Don't forget, this is phone only AI. I'm using phone to test Google Opal to see its ability on how to generate different kind of app that you want to use to generate it. But I observed that Google Opal can't do three things for now. So let's go ahead and see what it can't do for now. Google Opal works like crazy. But if you are thinking Opal replaces developer, pumps a brake, it is not a magic. You need to pump a brake and go and check these three things out and confirm what I'm trying to tell you. The first thing Google Opal cannot do is it can't add user logins and payment. Like creating an app with user logins and payment. Google Opal can't do that yet. So let's go ahead and check that out. So we click on create. Then we are going to type our prompt here. By this left hand side, we are going to put our prompt here. Then whatever the app that we are going to generate is going to appear by the right hand side here. So we are going to put our prompt here. So I'm going to type create 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 app create an app with users login and Stripe payment. So let's go. Let's see what it's going to give us. While it's loading, let's see what the final outcome that is going to give us. See the final outcome that is going to give us. It's loading. Let's wait for it while it loads. It's loading. Let's wait for it while it's loading. Okay, this is it. You can see it here now. This is it. So let's click on app here. Can you see it here? Okay, let's see what is there. Let me see what is there. Okay, you see we should enter email address for users account. So let me try by entering an email here and let's see what happens. Let me try and enter this email. Let's go ahead and see what it's going to give us. You see, specify payment amount for the transaction. Let's assume say, okay, let me put $1. Let's go. Let's see what is going to show us here. Let's go ahead and see what is going to give us. Let's wait for what it's going to bring out and see if what I'm saying is actually true. So let me try by checking. Okay, so this is it. Complete payment. Okay, this is Here you see enter email address. This is password. Okay, let's go ahead and enter email address here. Let's say we want to enter email address. Okay, we have entered email address. Let's see password. Okay, let's go with this. Let's go with this. Okay, can you see this one now? Say account complete payment, accounts total amount, card number, total amount, card number. You see this place. See this place. You structure your prompt that will determine what it's going to give you. It's showing this now because I didn't structure my prompt in a way that it will generate a full app for me, because this one that is bring out now is not, I don't think it's a complete something. It's supposed to be like, if I want to log into the email, I'm supposed to like log into the app first, then I will see everything about the app, then see the place of the payment option and every other thing. Though it shows a user's login, which to check my identity and all that. But if, let's assume that somebody want to use the app from an outside, I want to use the app now, and also if an outsider wants to use the app now, I don't think this is going to be possible. So let's try another one app out and see. I want to try another thing out by saying, let me go back, let me click on create. Another thing that I'm looking at that Google Opal cannot deny is that like breaks with complex logic. Let me say build an app that scripts YouTube comments and score them. So let's see what it's going to show. Let's see the result that it's going to give us. So while we wait for this result, don't forget that the way we structure the first prompt, that build an app with users login and Stripe payment. Assuming we want to build a complete app, let's assume that we structured our prompt in a way that it comprises of the full information about the app that we want to build, not this just interface of the payment that this Opal gave us now. I'm going to work on that to reconfirm if it can actually do it, to reconfirm. But this thing that it gave us, I'm actually going to work to reconfirm. This is the second thing that I'm going to test to see whether it's one of the limitations to Opal. Okay, it's analyzed, it has been. So let me click on the app here. This is the app here. Let me click on start. So see what is saying. Paste the URL of the video. Let me see. Let me click on this. This is one of the YouTube video link. Let me see. Let's see what is going to show up. Let's see what is going to show. Let's see what it's going to show. This particular one that I'm testing now, though I've done it more like 2 times now, it's not giving what I actually want. It's one of the limitation. But let's go through it together so that you can see what I'm talking about. Because after analyzing and doing everything, to just bring error, it amounts to error. Because what I'm saying is that Opal is majorly front end only, no real back end. It's majorly front end, no real back end. That is what I'm thinking. Well, let's see what it's going to bring out. You can see it now. So let me see. To false video and testing on the good and bad side. Total analyze 10. Sentiment score. Sentiment scores moderate positively. Distribution and score them. Oh wow. Sentiment over time. Deep dive feedback positive. Okay, negative. Okay. Can you see? This is not what I'm actually looking for. This is not what I'm actually looking for. What I'm looking for is the comment that is under the channel. You can see what I'm talking about. This is the comment that is under the video that I say you should analyze, that scripts the comment and do what? Score them. Not this. I'm not saying you should score the app or anything. That means it failed us in this particular aspect. And the third thing that I want to say about this Opal is that you can't edit. Yes, you can't edit. Once you publish, that is it. You wanna change a word, rebuild the whole. If you wanna change a word, you have to rebuild the whole app. No save button, this kill iteration, no editing. So is Opal useless? No. It's amazing for free tools, MVPs, and testing ideas. But if you need a real app with users and money, not yet. Use it for what it is. Free tools only. Don't forget, I test AI tools with 0 laptop every week. The good and bad side. What should Opal hardness? If they has payment, I know if they has payment, it will be a printing money. Yes, but I will still confirm it. Look for a structured prompt, then try to check that user's login and payment again. I'll give you feedback.